This is the amphitheater at Camp Hope. This is going to be really amazing. We have stuff on boats from China, stuff coming from Amazon, people that are donating all kinds of sound equipment and various things. This is going to be wired for sound. There's going to be nothing else like this. Once we get this all set up, it is going to be big enough to put on events for more than 1,000 people, including our daily camps with 100 students, weekend events. The last night of camp, we're going to bring the families of the students that come so they can hear the same message the students have been hearing all week. They can get on the same page, staying in school, making good sexual choices, rejecting violence, rejecting gangs, rejecting addiction, and we're going to bring people out to do it. And this is going to be the place where so much happens.